Hey fam! Struggling with your furball's naughty antics? I was too, until I found 7 Steps Puppy Training. Trust me, chaos doesn't have to reign supreme. Unlike those so-called experts who complicate things, this guide gives you straightforward solutions. Picture this. No more destroyed shoes cause chewing gets curbed, barking becomes bare, and potty disasters disappear. Imagine your mornings without messes. Ready to transform your puppy into the perfect companion? Click now and turn confusion into cuddles with 7 Steps Puppy Training. Don't just take my word. Experience the magic yourself.